Hey there, have you ever started a painting and didn't know how to get it finished? You started off with great enthusiasm, the painting's starting to go well, and then suddenly a few things kind of start happening and you're feeling uncertain and you don't know how to fix those mistakes that are coming up. Well, you may love the live session that I've got coming up this Thursday, and it's part of my Blooms live online Magnificent Magnolias pack, where I show in detail how to do 2 fabulous paintings from scratch, even if you've never painted before. Now, when I put this pack together and put the pricing together, I only allowed for 1 live session, but I found the ladies love it so much. I've actually put in another 4, and in every session, we're actually doing something different. And this week, it's actually all about how to fix those mistakes where you get stuck, the ones where it makes you want to frisbee that painting across the back garden, the one that just absolutely drives you nutty where you've tried 5 times to fix something. I'm going to show you how to identify what's missing in the painting so you don't make the wrong moves on your painting. Sometimes these things are super easy. You wouldn't believe how easy that they are. And I've got a system that you apply and you can identify what's going on. No need to ask the neighbor or the hubby for their advice. They know less than you do, more than likely, unless you happen to live next door to a professional artist. So this is going to save you. It's going to save you a whole lot of egg on face. It's going to save you a whole lot of discomfort, and it's going to be fantastic. So I'm going to take everybody through step by step how to do this. And what's more, in another 2 weeks' time, we're then going to start another painting. So this is the one that we're working on at the moment. It's very easy to catch up with us, to be able to do that for this Thursday, or just come in and listen and learn. And then we've also got this stunning single that we're doing 2 weeks after that. We're doing that painting in 1 major session, so it'll be really cool. And then after that, we're going to have another few weeks, and then we're going to collate all the paintings, and we're going to have a very compassionate critique where I give you extra tips on how to tweak those paintings, and we all learn from each other. So this is the gift that keeps on giving. I'm guilty as charged that I oversupply to my students. They all say, oh my God, I love how much I'm getting working with you. I knew it was going to be good, but I didn't realize actually how much you give in your sessions. I've learned so much just from the short time I've been with you. So that's fantastic. And the other thing they tell me is that I am their silver lining in the COVID, because they've learned to paint and I've been able to bring painting to them. Because usually I travel the world teaching, and it's hard for some people to get to those destinations. Also, this is approximately a quarter of the price of what it would be to do this in person with me. So you're going to love it. People tell me they feel like it's one-on-one in the sessions, because I really do give you loads of attention and time and really break it down into understandable detail. I'm painting live in front of you, as well as having all the videos there and handy. So I just wanted to share that with you, that you may not want to miss this session. So if that's the case, jump in. I'm also putting down there a VIP code to save you $30. So if you want to join me, jump on, and I'll see you soon. And you've got plenty of time to do this, no previous experience necessary. And we're going to have a lot of fun as well. We have a lot of fun in our sessions. We have great people, and we have lots of great banter while we're painting. So yeah, don't be lonely, don't be isolated in COVID, and let's learn and let's get these paintings nailed. I'm not going to be doing these lives online all the time. This is probably, one of my final single packs that you can get like this. So come on down and come and enjoy, and we'll see you this week. Okay, so I'll leave the link for you below in case you want to join us, and we'll see you there.